I have a 2001 yellow Kirby G6 that doesn't care which side of the power nozzle, you could say side of the vacuum, that you use. It will be equally good on both sides. And just for the heck of it, I'll put some down in the middle for something to do, even though it's not that kind of test. It's an edge cleaning test. All right, off we go. Height is set to position 3 for medium pile carpet. So I can see line of shame, little round spot here, little round spot here, which didn't quite get it all. And let's take the board up. The board is just about as clean as you can get. And there is, you might not even be able to see this, a really fine line right along here where it missed a little bit. But that is pretty good. And this is the oblique stiff brush roll that's in here. Let's finish this up. Funny thing is, there's still just a little bit right here. You might not be able to see that, but it's really light. It's really fine. But yeah, anything along here is gone. All right, let's see what I can come up with next.